Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your React.js instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Throughout this React Nested Roots tutorial, we are going to learn about overview and demonstration of the creation of nested URLs in React. The concepts of nested root is an important and useful feature in React.js framework. React Nested Roots allows to roots different tabs or sections within same web page. For an example, on a sample page one gets presented multiple sections such as section 1, section 2, etc. to navigate through a different functionalities. By clicking these tabs of sections, the URL in the browser will change, but instead of replacing the whole page, only the content of the section gets replaced. In this example, URL will be changed from /page/section1 to /page/section2. Now, we are going to explain the concept of React Nested Root with the existing React project. Also, please follow our previous videos to understand how to install and implement the concept of React Router DOM. Let's start with the demonstration. First, understand the application functionality. Here, we are in the page 1 of the application, which contains page title and a link to navigate next page. The URL path is /page1. Click on the link to navigate the page 2, which has the URL /page2. This page contains page title and links to navigate different sections. We can open the section by clicking on corresponding link. The section have the nested URL /page2/sub-page1. Similarly, we can open the section 2 from the same page 2. Here, only title and the nested URL are getting changed. Click Move to Previous Page link to navigate page 1. We will now see how to handle the React nested routing through the different components. The routes.js component is used to route different pages based on the URL path, including the nested URLs as well. Here, first and the second routes are used to navigate page 1 component for root and /page1 URLs. The third route is navigating the page 2 component for URL path /page2. The fourth route is used for the nested URLs. Here, type is the parameter which holds the nested path, which can be anything after path /page2/. It can be accessed from page 2 component as parameter to define the sections. Next, the page1.js component displays title and a link as move to next page. By clicking here, the URL path is changed to /page2, which triggers the page 2 component from the root.js component. In page2.js component, we will use the hook useparams to read the parameter type which is defined in root.js component. This parameter is used to decide which sections need to be displayed. Value of type defined from the URL path for page 2. The subpage component is imported and the type parameter is passed as the property of the subpage component. Also, two links are defined here to change the URL path as /page2/sub-page1 and /page2/sub-page2 for the corresponding sections from the page 2 only. This nested path will be assigned to type parameter through the routes.js component. Through this links, we can define the nested URLs. Let's see the subpage.js components. This component displays the different sections title based on the type property. The props.type is used to check the nested path of the URL and display the title of the corresponding section. We can call any custom component based on the requirement. Now, we will run the project using the command npm start. The React will take few seconds to start the development server and launch the application in default browser. We can navigate different pages and sections. By clicking on the sections, the title of the section and the nested URLs path appears accordingly. The type parameter decides the section, which is defined from this routes.js component. The value of type is assigned from this nested URL. Thanks for watching this video. In this React Nested Routes tutorial, we have covered the approaches nested routes through the React Router component. We will learn about how to redirect in React applications in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.